Hi, Mr. Callahan here at the SJCOE FabLab with one of my favorite things. It's Scratch. I'm going to show you a quick introduction before we get started to Scratch, how you can make the simplest little program, and then we're going to look at it in a little bit more detail, and you'll follow along on the second go around. So this is just a really quick intro. Let's get started. So if we're programming in Scratch, we're going to start right there by choosing a sprite. We've got all these options. I can draw my own. I can get a random one. I can even upload an image. I'm just going to search. Okay, there are so many to choose from, and they are all so cool, but I am going to choose a dinosaur. Okay, so you'll notice right here, there's my sprite. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the cat, Scratchy, clicking here and delete. I'm left with my dinosaur sprite. Well, where is it? Let's give it a location. I'm going to point right here on backdrops, and I have all of these backdrops to choose from. I feel like Jurassic is the perfect spot for my dinosaur. Oh, pretty cool. I think that is awesome. Now I want my dinosaur to move around. So what I can do is give it commands. Notice if I click on move, oh, the dinosaur moves. Now, every sprite has some properties. There's the code that's tied to it, but there's also a costume, how it looks. You know what I like the idea of? Having my dinosaur walk. So I'm not just going to have it move along, I'm going to have it walk as it moves. So I have this costume and this costume. All right. I'm going to have it so that it walks along. So it's going to move, and then under looks, I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to switch to costume B. So, oh, costume B now. All right, but I want it to not just be costume B, but sometimes be costume A. Now here's the thing, we only saw costume B there. Well, that's because computers run so fast that sometimes our eyes can't see. So I'm going to go here to control and tell it to wait a moment in between. I'm going to go with 0.2 seconds, and the same on the next costume. Wait a moment for 0.2 seconds. All right, here we go. Okay, it's running along. That is pretty cool. It's now able to move. Let's, because I don't like the fact that I had to press multiple times. Doing something multiple times is a job for a computer. It should do the boring stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to program it to repeat. So when I click, it goes along. Okay, I've got one more thing. I shouldn't need to reach into the code to get it to do something. What I should be able to do is to press maybe a button. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to drag this back, and I want just pressing the green flag to be enough. So, I'm going to tag to the event of when this green flag is clicked. Now, I could go with another event like, say, a key, like the space key being pressed. Let's go with the green flag. Let's make this large. I've got an entire screen here, and all I have to do to play my animation, it's running. So fun. Okay, that was a super fast intro. The next time we're gonna go step by step and do a little bit of coding in Scratch. You're gonna go along with us. All right, let's have some fun.